Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm Firda Suci Kusumaningrum and I will talking about the assessment of listening.
So here I'm going to explain is the assessment of listening. So there is a few type and a few point that I've got what I've been searched in my searching. So here it is. So this is the definition. Assessment listening, or someone we call listening assessment, measures how well someone comprehends and interprets spoken information. This goes beyond just hearing words. It includes understanding the meaning, context, and intent behind the message. Communication, education, professional success, and social interaction. Let's begin the communication. So, the communication is effective listening is crucial for successful communication in all areas of life. And the second is education. In academic settings, listening skills are essential for understanding lectures, participating in discussions, and following instruction. And the third is professional success. So its many jobs require active listening to understand clients, collaborate with colleagues, and follow the direction. And the last is social interaction, which means it's good listening skill enhance relationship and prevent the misunderstanding, which means the type is for we need to understand with it. The sixth way how to improve assessment listening. The first is the active engagement. It's to concentrate fully on the speaker, minimizing distraction. With it, observe body language, facial expression, and tone of voice. The second is the questioning and clarification. It means ask open-ended questions to encourage the speaker to provide more detail. To summarize it's called periodically summarize the speaker's point to ensure the understanding. The third, critical analyze. To evaluate evidence, assess the speaker's supporting evidence and logic. To identify, recognize potential bias or assumptions in the speaker's message. It's both note-taking. The key point is to the main ideas and supporting details. And the five, empathy and perspective taking. It's to understand the speaker's viewpoint. It's trying to see the issue from their perspective and there to acknowledge the emotion, to recognize and respond to the speaker's emotional state. And the last is feedback and response. It's the constructive feedback. Provide thoughtful feedback focusing on both strengths and areas for improvement. It's to respectful communication. To communicate our evaluation respectfully and diplomatically. And there is a common assessment listening exercise that can help improve your skills. There is a two things to the summarization exercise and the note taking drills. Same like the note taking before, it's to listen to a recording and take detailed notes. It's focusing on capturing essential details and supporting arguments. And also, the summarization exercise is to listen to a speech, lecture, or podcast, and then write a concise summary of the main points. And here the last is additional tips. There is three tips that we can to try. It's the first, practice regularly. We need to active listening exercise to improve the skills. And the second, to seek the feedback. Ask others for feedback on our listening abilities, which means that we need someone to know what our skill level is. And the third is the open minded. approach its conversation with a willingness to learn and understand. Okay, so this is what I can to explain more about assessment listening. So this is all of my point what I'm searching for. So I'm done today, so I will say goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.